Hi, this is a quick video on writing rational exponents when the fractional part of the exponent is a number with numerator of 1, such as 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, and so on. So to begin with, let's look at numbers such as 2 to the 1/2, 3 to the 1/2, and 4 to the 1/2. I'm just going to show you how to write these. Okay, so 2 to the 1/2 is going to be the square root of 2. 3 to the 1/2 is going to be the square root of 3. And 4 to the 1/2 is simply going to be the square root of 4. Okay, now moving on to 2 to the 1/3, 3 to the 1/3, and 4 to the 1/3, then this is simply going to be, now it's going to be what we call the cube root of 2. Okay, and 1/3, or 3 to the 1/3, is going to be the cube root of 3, and 4 to the 1/3 is simply going to be the cube root of 4. Okay, so you could start seeing what's happening here. 1/3 gives you the cube root, 1/2 gives you the square root. And we could place a 2 here so that we could see that basically the denominator gives us the root that we're looking for. Okay, so let's take a look at some other examples. Okay, so in this example, we're simply going to just continue. We looked at 1/2, we looked at 1/3. Now we're going to look at 1/4. Okay, so this is going to give us the fourth root of 2. And remember, I said the denominator basically tells us what root it is. So this is going to be the fourth root of 3. And this is simply going to be the fourth root of 4. Okay. Now, pause your video for a second and try to see if you could rewrite these numbers using radicals. Okay, so after you've rewritten them, just check your answers with my answers. Okay, so 9 to the 1/2, the denominator is 2. So this is going to be basically the second root, or the square root of 9. The denominator here is 3. So this is going to be the cube root of 9. The denominator here is 4. So this is going to be the fourth root of 9. This is going to be the fifth root of 9. And this is going to be the sixth root of 9. And this, quite simply, is the seventh root of 9. So again, the denominator basically tells you what the root is, and that's all you have to do to rewrite it. Now, in general, it really doesn't matter what the denominator is. In general, if you had a number raised to the 1/nth power, that would simply be the nth root of that number. Okay? All right. Again, pause your video and see if you could rewrite these variable expression using radicals. Now, keep in mind, variables are just alphabets that we use to take the place of numbers. So there's really no difference in when you try to rewrite these variables, just think of them as numbers. Okay? Take a moment, and after you've paused your video, compare your answers to mine. So this would simply be the square root of x. This would be the square root of w. This would be the fifth root of x. And this would be the ninth root of y. Okay, so again, the only thing you need to consider when rewriting rational exponents is what number is in the denominator. Okay, that's the most important thing. The denominator basically tells you what root you're using. And if you're using a square root, typically by convention, we don't place the 2 where the root would go. Okay, so it's been fun. Hopefully this quick introduction was helpful for helping you write numbers where the numerator is 1. If you want to learn how to write numbers where the numerator is greater than 1, such as 2 to the 2/3, or x to the 3/4, or 4 to the 5/2, simply check out part 2 of this video. Thank you. It's been fun. Come back and see me some other time.